Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Janvi Singh and I will be talking about the topic position effect. Position effect is the effect on the expression of a gene when its location in a chromosome is changed. Position effect is of two types: S-type stable position effect and V-type variegated position effect. The S-type position effect is caused due to chromosome duplication, whereas the V-type position effect is caused due to translocation. First is stable position effect. Stuart Wand, through his experiment, showed that there was a semi-dominant mutation leading to reduction in the number of facets in the eye of Drosophila, leading to bar eye phenotype instead of the wild type round eye phenotype. The figure on the left shows the wild type round eye phenotype of Drosophila eye, whereas the figure on right shows the bar eye phenotype. The bar eye character was due to duplication in 16A region of the X chromosome. In figure A, we can see that 16A region has not been duplicated, hence the wild eye, round eye of Drosophila. In figure B, the 16A region has been duplicated once in one arm of the homologous chromosome, thus leading to slightly bar heterozygous phenotype. In figure C, the duplication has occurred in both the arms one times, thus giving a more bar homozygous phenotype. In figure D, the duplication has occurred twice in the same arm of the homologous chromosome, giving the double bar heterozygous phenotype. In figure E, the duplication has occurred twice in both the arms of homologous chromosome, thus giving double bar homozygous phenotype. In figure C and figure D, each have the 16A section present 4 times, but facet count is more for bar homozygous. Hence, 316A section in the same chromosome and one in its mate are more effective in reducing the facet number than are 2 in each chromosome. The bar stalk occasionally also revert to wild type. The bar eye give rise to ultra bar and normal wild type due to unequal crossing over, as is shown in the figure. This unequal crossing over is caused due to asymmetric pairing of the homologous chromosome. The second type is the position effect variegation. The white eye gene present in the X chromosome of Drosophila is responsible for red eye, normal red eye color of Drosophila, and when this gene gets mutated, it results in a white eye in Drosophila. When euchromatic genes are artificially transposed to a heterochromatic environment, they tend to function abnormally or do not function at all. This can create a mixture of normal and mutant characteristics in the same individual, a condition known as position effect variegation. Wild type allele of white gene has been relocated by an inversion in this figure, with one break near the euchromatic white gene locus and the other in the basal heterochromatin of the X chromosome. This rearrangement interferes with the normal expression of white gene and causes a mottled eye phenotype. Why does this happen? Why is when a gene is present in euchromatin, it is functioning normally, and when it is translocated to a region in heterochromatin or near heterochromatin, its function ceases slightly? Because heterochromatin is tightly packed chromatin, which is inaccessible to RNA polymerase, and hence genes are not transcribed. Whereas euchromatin is loosely packed chromatin and is accessible to RNA polymerase, and hence transcription occurs. This was all that I had to talk about position effect. Thank you, ma'am.